Stop wasting your best fluency season. Look around. The days are short, the air is cold, and everyone else is slowing down. You see them binge-watching, hitting snooze, waiting for spring to start really working on their goals. But not you. You, my friend, are about to discover the biggest secret to English fluency, the winter arc. What if I told you that the cold, dark months ahead are the most powerful time of the year to radically transform your speaking skills? This isn't just about practicing. This is about leveraging the environment to build fluency that is unbreakable. You have a hidden advantage right now, and most students totally miss it. Don't be one of them. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 phases of the winter arc and give you the exact strategies, from cozy content consumption to icebreaker immersion, that will make you emerge in spring a completely confident, fluent English speaker. Stick with me. This is your fluency evolution. Phase 1, the mindset shift, embracing the hibernate and build strategy. Focus, isolation and deep work. Before we get to what to do, let's talk about how to think. Forget the pressure of summer socializing. The winter arc is about quality over quantity. Think like a master craftsman in his workshop, not a social butterfly. Key concept 1, the isolation advantage. You have fewer distractions. Your friends are less active. This is the time to build your internal vocabulary database. Actionable strategy, the silent storyteller. Every day, choose a simple object in your room, a mug, a book, a window. For 5 minutes, narrate its history, its purpose, and your feelings about it, all inside your head, completely in English. Don't speak it out loud yet. This forces your brain to think in English without the pressure of performance. This silent practice is a game changer. Key concept 2, the comfort content trap. We all gravitate toward comfort content in winter, easy shows, familiar podcasts. This is a trap. You need to level up your English comfort content. Actionable strategy, the 70-30 rule. 70% of your content should be relaxing, familiar English, your favorite sitcoms, simple news. But 30% must be cognitive load content. That means a complex documentary on history, a scientific podcast, or a dense interview. Why? Because you need to train your brain to handle complex, unpredictable English. Phase 2, cozy content consumption, deep listening for the win. Focus, targeted listening, and shadowing. Now that your mindset is right, let's talk about the specific tools we use when we're wrapped up inside. The audiobook anchor technique. Winter is made for audiobooks, but you won't just listen. You'll use a technique called the anchor listen read. Step 1, listen blind. Listen to a 1-minute chapter without the text. Focus only on the flow, the rhythm, and the emotion. Do not worry about meaning. Step 2, listen and read. Read the text while you listen. Identify the words you missed. Step 3, anchor and shadow. This is the secret step. Listen again, and then immediately mimic the speaker's tone, speed, and pronunciation. You are anchoring their perfect English flow into your memory. Do this with a loud, confident voice. No mumbling. Remember, listening isn't a passive activity. You must engage. We've covered the mindset and deep listening. But for this winter arc to truly work, you need 2 things: commitment and a community. I'm giving you the roadmap, but I need to know you're ready to build this fluency. So, here's your first challenge. Comment below and type ARC committed. Let me know you're in, and if you want to see the final, most crucial phase, the icebreaker immersion, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Don't miss the next step in your fluency journey.